Myntri Barim Katanat Revenue and Disaster Management ba Kyrmen Shylla MLA na kaseng UDP na klirian. Ulaong ba uhun ya Kaei ba ka parti ka rai Halor ka jingkeliang Shuki Myntri hapadengki MLA jang ka parti. Laban pen mau ba ka UDP kelasai bujilino ada uba lakamen rumboy badu ba met ba lengdo hakajaka jang uba pol lengdo bat ba Kyrmen Shylla kumki Myntri bathamai na kabaha jang kaseng UDP Khuborjylla balam khmat Myntri rangba konrat ke sangma na kaseng National People's Party NPP.
I feel it's the same. Nothing has changed. It's just that I got more time for my people in my constituency, and yeah, that is how I feel. So this is a party matter because we were allotted with 2 ministers in this NEHU. So the UDP has the right to choose whoever among the 12 to go and attend as the minister for the NEHU. So we have been given the opportunity to serve for 2.5 years. So in this reshuffle, so the UDP collectively will take a decision, especially the elected members, and then V2 has been changed, and then 2 has been allotted this minister post to attend in this NEHU. So that is a party matters has been collectively taken decision. I don't feel that way, as I've mentioned. So I feel it's a blessing. Yes, no doubt, being a minister, I feel it's a blessing that I got a chance to serve the people of the state at my capacity. I might not be able to do everything, or maybe more than the others, but whatever possible from my side, I have tried it in these 7.5 years. So I feel it's a blessing, and I would like to thank the people of the state for entrusting me to be the minister and then continue my journey for 7.5 years as a minister. But no doubt, though I'm no more a minister now, but our journey, our service still continue. But it's just that by not becoming minister anymore, we have more time for our people in the constituency. So I believe my people in the constituency, those who have many things against me. There are times that I couldn't attend their program, I couldn't be there in the funeral, so I couldn't be with them when they are in need of me. So I will try myself to be a part of their celebration or whatever ceremony they have, especially in the constituency. So I will try to be a part of it, since now I will be having more time for my people at my constituency. So this might be a blessing in the other way, where God has already planned in this way for us. So we have to accept it, and I really mean it, I accept it this way.